Hey guys, it's Tigalif here from Tech by Tigalif, and today I'm going to explain Chroma key, including what is Chroma key and how Chroma key works and what are the uses of Chroma key and what is clean screen and blue screen and why it is needed. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. First, let me thank Alan Robert Anjos because he advised me to make this video, and this is a great topic. You can also advise me to make video on your favorite topic. You just need to write it in the comment box and I will try to make a video on it. So now let's get straight to our main topic. Chroma key is a visual effect or a post-production technique for layering two videos or images based on their color hues. It simply means to do something against a background of a solid single color, and then you can erase the background and change it to another background. As an example, suppose you have captured a video against a blue or a green screen at your home in Madrid, and then you erase the background and changed it to Hawaii. That's how you can show yourself at Hawaii easily in the video. It is mostly used in the film industries, game industries, and TV channels. They make movies, news programs, and video games by using Chroma key. To use Chroma key, you first need a background of a solid single color, like green screen or a blue screen. You can use background of any color, but that must be solid and there must be no other colors. For Chroma key, the RGB colors are recommended, but the green and blue screen are commonly used because they are the most different colors from our skin, and green screen is used for the best result. And you can keep the color of the background in the foreground, otherwise it will be invisible. Now the question is how Chroma key works. By using Chroma key, the video editor can recognize the foreground and separate it from the background and erase the background, and then you can easily change the background. That's how Chroma key works. So this is our Chroma key tutorial on Android. First you need a Chroma key video. You can make it by yourself by shooting a video against a blue or green screen. Otherwise, you need to download a no copyright blue or green screen video. Then you need this app called KineMaster. It's a video editing app for Android. You will get the download link of KineMaster app in the description of this video. You can also download it for free from Google Play Store. After installing it, you have to open it. Now you can see this is screen. You have to tap the plus sign, then empty project to create a new project. Tap media browser to browse the video which you wanna edit. Suppose I wanna edit this video, so I just need to browse it. Here you can see the video. Now place the red line to the position where you wanna add the Chroma key video. Then tap layer and tap media and browse the Chroma key video. I have downloaded one. It's a green screen video actually. Here it is. After browsing it, you have to select it. Go to Chroma key, enable it, then adjust foreground and background opacity. Maybe now it's perfect. I add a Spider-Man and other animations in the same way. So guys, if you found this video useful, please like it. If you have any question, problem or feedback, please write it in the comment box. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more tech and scientific videos like this. Like, comment and subscribe. Work for good, don't look for the reward, help others, don't expect any return. Thanks for watching and goodbye.